Hello and welcome to another Port product video. My name is Adal and today we will walk you through creating and tracking DORA metrics in Port in order to view insights that will allow you to drive engineering improvements. We'll show you how to set up and track the 4 key engineering performance indicators: deployment frequency, lead time for changes, mean time to recovery, and change failure rate. To get started, go to the catalog page in your portal. Click on the New button in the left sidebar, then select New Experience. Next, select New DORA Metrics Dashboard. Give your dashboard a title, then select Create. Installing this experience automatically sets up several components in your portal. Let's start with blueprints. Deployment and incident blueprints are created. These are used to model the data required to measure DORA metrics. Next, let's take a look at dashboard pages. The first page is Set up your deployments. This is a configuration page that allows you to define what qualifies as a deployment in your organization, ensuring your metrics are aligned with your engineering workflows. To achieve this, this page contains multiple self-service actions, one for each method of deployment. Upon execution of such an action, the relevant integration mapping is updated to accommodate the chosen method. You can choose the one or ones that fit your organization. Next is the Set up your incidents page. Similar to the previous configuration page, this one allows you to define what qualifies as an incident in your organization. Executing the action on this page will update your PagerDuty integration mapping accordingly. If your organization uses custom tooling or external systems, you can track incidents by sending data directly to Port's API. And lastly, we have the DORA Metrics dashboard page. This is the main dashboard page for the DORA Metrics experience. Here you can visualize and track your organization's engineering performance over time using dedicated visualizations and widgets. Now you may have noticed additional blueprints whose identifier begins with an underscore. These are internal blueprints used to keep historical data intact, along with a couple of internal automations. Now, let's configure our deployments and incidents. Let's start with deployments. Choose the relevant deployment method. In this example, we're going to use merged pull requests. Apply your desired filters, such as base branch or PR labels, to align with your organization's processes. When ready, click Execute. Note that it may take up to several minutes until the resync finishes. Next, let's configure our incidents. Choose the relevant incident method. In this case, we're going to use PagerDuty. Then click Execute. And again, this might take a few minutes until the resync finishes. Now that the mapping of the relevant integrations has been updated, from here on out, every resync will fetch the relevant data for the DORA metrics. Once your data starts accumulating, navigate to the DORA Metrics dashboard. Here, you will find visualizations for deployment frequency, mean time to recovery, lead time for changes, and change failure rate. This dashboard now serves as a centralized location to track your engineering performance and identify areas for improvement. And that's it. You've successfully set up DORA metrics in Port, which you can now track via the dedicated dashboard. For more information, check out the guides linked in this video's description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.